Well, just bought this Seymour Duncan Blackouts Jeff Loomis signature pickups, active pickups for $150. This is the bridge pickups. Let us unboxing. Okay. It comes with all the connectors, the capacitors, volume ports, output jack, okay, the active connection to the battery, everything. Okay, quick connect. This is the pickup. You're going to see. Yeah. It's a Jeff Loomis Blackouts made by Seymour Duncan USA. It's a brush black. Okay. And comes with the instruction manual. Okay. For us to set up the installation. Okay. So let us see. Yeah. Okay. Three-way installation, one volume, one tone installation, and the 2 volume, 2 tone, the Gibson Les Paul standard setup with the quick connect there. And yes, it's Seymour Duncan. Alright. Okay, what is in the box? We'll put aside. This is Seymour Duncan Jeff Loomis. Okay. Blackouts. Right? By Seymour Duncan. SeymourDuncan.com. Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to fix onto my Schecter